Hello everyone. In this segment, I'm going to be navigating the dashboard for ISO 22000 2018. So let's get connected and get logged in. For ISO 22000 or ISO standard dashboard, we'll click on the dashboard section. As you can see, we have several dashboards here. We're going to choose ISO 22000 2018 here. Let's check on the leadership section. As you can see, the modules are all here, but let's go check on this one first and kind of see what that looks like. So as soon as you open the dashboard, you're going to see a reporting collaborator. So the collaborator, this is where the areas of the team that you are adding to be able to use this section right here. As you can see, no one is allotted here. But just for the sake of example, we'll say Charles, the CEO, and Cindy Compliance are the authorized personnel to be able to utilize this particular requirement. So we save them. So that would show on the HR module, which we'll cover later, of how the collaborators are inputted and are assigned their areas of responsibility. So once you open this, you're going to see a description section. You'll see files, where you can attach files, which is your programs, your policies, or your SOPs, work instruction, etc. You can add comments, as you can see, for that to record any comments or your notes. The history, as you can see, there are some history that's already been put up here, and these are the action items that had happened in this particular section. Most important is the compliance part, where you can access your compliance requirements. Let's take a look at 5.1 here and look at those. As you can see, there's a food safety management system team requirement, job description, and understood and signed by each key personnel, which are assigned as a requirement. And it has action items where, these are your areas that you need to perform to comply with the requirements, and of course the frequency when those are supposed to occur. In this example, on the 15th day, et cetera, or annual, or monthly, or semi-annually. It also has annual review. Now, once we do a full demo of this section, we'll be able to show you the full gamut of the annual review, which becomes part of your internal audit system. And we actually can show you all of how to fill this out and walk you through and how to get all of these annual review requirements squared away. Most of all is it also includes a template where you can click and open those templates and download them. As you can see, it would have templates that you can customize for your intended process to comply with the standards. All right. And you can have multiple templates and also references. The neat thing about this is if you needed the reference handy, everything is at your fingertips. Okay. So like I said, this is just for navigation. This segment of the video is not to actually dissect the requirement and upload that. That would be on a different segmented video. So now once you have your ISO, as you can see, once you click on these, they have the main dissection and standards, and then you can then click on them and keep going until you get to the part that you need to comply with. You can also use the search button. For example, let's say 5.1 right here, and it would also take you there as well. All right, so it has that search functionality. So while we are here, we can also look at part of your ISO requirements for your HR function, which covers your employee roster, their job description, their training requirements, and the department that they're assigned to. And also part of that for your supplier verification and customer requirements, they're right here, which you can click on. This is on another segment of a video or services that is provided, products that you manage, and also records verification management. So moving forward on the navigation and use, you can also access different dashboard in our system in the app section, all the way from your customer requirements, as you can see, all the way to your certain ISO systems that are listed here if you are an ISO standard dashboard required for your system. Now, if you need other dashboard, just kind of let us know. We have several of them. We have also plugins. These are systems that could be incorporated in your on your ISO dashboard, as well as eForms that could be also incorporated, SOPs, and other services. Our services are also project-based or end-to-end services that you can utilize on a needed basis to maintain and manage your system. Our system also includes forms. In this case, I will just click on a GMP checklist here, for an example, or a pest control inspection sheet. So you can kind of take a look at that process. So we can automate your forms should you want to. If you want to maintain a paper base, we can also do that as well. So now on the paper base, I'm going to touch base on RVM really quick. So this is our record verification program, where at the end of the day, you can see what was uploaded for that day, or you can actually just take a look at them on a per department or per area. In this case, there was an internal audit performed in the logistics side, so you can actually view that report and view that requirement that was performed, as you can see. So for a full demonstration of our system, kindly let us know. And if you have any questions, just request service if you are in the system. Check on the IT services, technical sales, request a demo. If you have any suggestions, you encounter a problem, or you simply want to give a praise to one of our coordinator, you can do that in this portal. And just fill out the rest of the information, submit, and that would then come to us, and we can address your particular concern immediately. Once again, thank you for participating and watching this segment. We'll see you on the next one.